This is a mess. It really is. I should fix that. It needs to be organized. I'll do that. With this nice new workbench. In the past, whenever I needed a workbench, I just used this table. But it sucks. So I'm tired of using it. And that's where this thing comes in.
Like I said, I need better workspace. I quickly sketched up a drawing of what I was thinking and set the overall height to match my other tool cart. Other than that, I'm completely winging it. Now, I'm a mechanic by trade and a welder by schooling. Everything I know about woodwork is self-taught. Keep that in mind when you see me do some weird stuff. The majority of this is made from regular 2x4s. I started with the base, cutting 2 lengths at 21 inches and 2 at 44 inches. I cut notches about 3.5 inches from each end. That's approximately the width of a normal 2x4. Then I cut down to the notch from the ends using a sawzall where the circular saw couldn't reach. This allowed all 4 edges to nestle into each other and create a level base. I liked this layout so much that I made another one for the top support. Okay, onto the legs. These would be 33 and 3/8 inches long. Each leg would consist of 2 2x4s screwed together in an L shape, basically triangulating each corner and making them rigid. I installed each leg one at a time with 1 screw each. Then I could flip the whole thing over and add more screws, squaring the legs to the base. This was also a great time to add the 3-inch casters to the base. With the unit flipped back over, I can add the top support. Just like the base, 2 screws attach the legs square to the top support. The top cover is 24 inches by 48 inches. The overhangs on each side will allow me to clamp stuff to the top. Also makes it easy to square up. Some more screws to the top support into the top give it a clean, screwless surface. So we kind of made a mess, but here's our mostly finished product. The shelves are just attached by a beam across the back, on the sides, the back support, and then a little front kickstand. It's designed so the screws around the edge there can be pulled out and the drawers and the shelves can come out top and bottom. All that's left now is to just seal this top piece. This is a red oak top. I'm going to use this poly shades here with this kind of American chestnut. Should give us kind of a nice red color. This stuff is a stain and polyurethane mix, giving a nice color while sealing the top. This will prevent any oil or other stuff I spill from soaking into the top. I applied 2 coats to the surface. Here's the finished workbench for now. With summer 2022 lumber prices, this project costs around $200. The red oak top is almost half of that cost, so there are ways to make this cheaper.
All loaded up, it fits over here pretty nicely. Still need to do some more rearranging, but I think it'll work out well.